Is this compound correct or wrong? Look at this compound on the board here. Now check if it is correct or wrong. If it is correct, drop it in the comment section. It is correct, then name it. If it is wrong, look at it very well. If it is wrong, tell me in the comment section it is wrong because you tell me why it is wrong. Let me see people that are thinking very fast now. Look at this compound. In our last video, we look at alkane. Today we are going to be looking at the alkynes. Now the first thing I would like you to know about the alkynes is that the alkynes are unsaturated. They have at least one triple bond. Now, if you look at something like this is carbon, this is carbon. If it's just one bond throughout, single bonds throughout, alkane. If it is double bond, that is the highest number of bonds we have there, that's alkyne. But if we have at least a triple bond, then that is alkyne. I know carbon must be tetravalent, so we have to add one more hydrogen. Now this is how our alkyne is. So alkyne is unsaturated. The ones that are saturated are the ones that have only single bonds throughout. So the presence of either a double bond or a triple bond makes it unsaturated. So alkynes are unsaturated because of the presence of the triple bond. Now the general formula of the alkyne is CnH2n minus 2. CnH2n minus 2. How is that so? Now look at this. Let's use this other example I have on the board to check if this formula is actually correct. Now, here we are having 2C, that is C2, right? C2. We're having C2H12, H2, is it not? Now, the formula is saying CnH2n minus 2. Our n here is 2. So this will be 2. And here will be 2 into 2 minus 2. So here is 2. 2 times 2 is what? 4. 4 minus 2 is what? 2. That's why we're having C2H2. So that's the general formula of the alkynes. The general formula of the alkynes is CnH2n minus 2. Please take note because it's exam concentrated area. Let's see how we can name the alkynes. To name the alkyne is very simple. Now, you know the alkyne starts with the simplest alkyne is 2 carbon. CH double triple bond CH. This is the simplest alkyne, and this is ethyne. The next one is propyne. Propyne is the next one, and you know we have 3 carbon. So 3 carbon, and you know the formula says 2n minus 2. So 2 times 3 will give us what? 6, right? 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is what? 4. The next one is butyne. Butyne, that's C4. H. 2 times 4 is what? 8. 8 minus 2 is what? 6. The next one is pentyne. That's C5. H. 2 times 10 is what? 2 times 5 is what? 10. 10 minus 2, 8. Alright, so that's that for the alkynes. Let's see how we can name them when they come in a different form, not in the normal simplest forms. Let's see how we can name the alkynes. All right, let's name this. The first thing is 1 2 3 4 5 parents. If you count, we want to name it in such a way that the triple bond we have the lowest numbering. If I count from here 1 2 3, the triple bond is on carbon 3. If I count from here 1 2, the triple bond is on carbon 2. So I will have to go from right to left because that will give the triple bond the lowest numbering. So I'm having 1 2 3 4 5, right? Now 5 carbon is pentyne, right? So the position of the triple bond is on position 2. So you can say pentyne, or you say 2-pentyne. Anyone you say you're correct. Pentyne or 2-pentyne. but ensure that the position of the double bond, of the triple bond is given. All right, that's that. Now, let's look at the second one. Some of you want to run already because of this second one is looking somehow, but this is actually simple. Now, the first thing is to get the parent chain and ensure that this triple bond gets the lowest number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Meaning the triple bond here is on position 3. If I count from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is on position 5. So I'll obviously go with this one. So I will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8. And remember, anyone that is not counted as part of the parent becomes a substituent. Meaning we have 3 substituents here. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 substituents here. Good. Now, let's name the substituents. So is this a methyl substituent? Methyl. We have 3 of them. So now, this one is on position 2. This one is on position 2. This one is on position 3. Sorry, it's on position 6. Meaning we have 2, 2, 6. Check. 2, 2, 6. And then since there are 3, I'll say trimethyl. Are you saying it now? 2, 2, 6 trimethyl. Then I'll now name the parent. Now the parent now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is supposed to be octane. But now you have to tell them the position of the triple bond. The triple bond is on position what? 3, right? So you say trimethyl octreine. So 2,2,6 trimethyl octreine. That is the name of that compound there. All right, now this is your classwork. Now what you have to do for me first of all is this compound correct or wrong? Look at this compound on the board here. Now check if it is correct or wrong. If it is correct, drop it in the comment section. It is correct, then name it. If it is wrong, look at it very well. If it is wrong, tell me in the comment section it is wrong because you tell me why it is wrong. Let me see people that are thinking very fast now. Look at this compound very well. Tell me if it's correct. If it's correct, drop it in comment section, correct, and name it. If it is wrong, tell me it is wrong and tell me why it is wrong. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Anticipate the next video on organic chemistry. If you've not subscribed, click on the subscribe button because we are going to be demystifying everything. We are going to be demystifying everything in organic chemistry. See you in the next video. Like this video and share it to others. My name is Excellent Simplified.